AOPS Volume 1, The Basics, Number 7. Write root 2 over root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5 with a rational denominator. When tackling questions like these, which ask for the simplification of the denominator from radicals, it is often a good utilization of the following rules, which are a minus b times a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared, and that root a times root a is equal to a. These are some rules which come especially useful for solving these kinds of questions, which is simplifying the denominator from radicals. So we'll rewrite root 2 over root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5 to correlate with this rule. A plus b times a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. To do so, we will group root 2 plus root 3 together and call the grand thing as our term of a. So we're going to assume root 2 plus root 3 as our a term and root 5 as our b term. Therefore, a minus b correlating with this equation must multiply it with a plus b. So we have to multiply this with root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 over root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5. This will be equal to a squared minus b squared in the denominator, which is root 2 plus root 3 squared minus 5. And in the numerator, we will get root 2 times parentheses root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5. And now we can further simplify the numerator and denominator. We can first simplify the numerator by multiplying square root of 2 into each term. So this becomes 2 plus root 6 plus root 10 over, if we apply the rule of a plus b squared, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, we can simplify the denominator to be equal to 2 plus 2 root 6 plus 3 minus 5, which is equal to 2 root 6, or not 2 root 6, 2 plus root 6. So be equal to 2 plus root 6 plus root 10 over 2 root 6. Because 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 minus 5 is 0, 0 plus 3 root 6 will be 2 root 6. And now we are almost done with this proof. Because we need to unradicalize the denominator, because we cannot have a radical in the denominator. We can apply this formula, that root a times root a is equal to a. So root 6 times root 6 must be equal to 6. So we apply that to cancel the radical in the denominator, which will be equal to 2 times 6 will be 12, and multiply root 6 to each term in the numerator to get 2 root 6 plus root 36 plus root 60. Now we can further simplify the numerator further, because we know root 36 is equal to 6, and root 60 is equal to root 4 times 15, which is equal to 2 root 15. So this becomes 2 root 6 plus 6 plus 2 root 15 over 12. And we can now divide 2 on both sides to obtain root 6 plus 3 plus root 15 over 6 as our final answer for problem number 7.